Hello everyone, my name is Kodamore and welcome back to the LibGDX Game Dev Guide. In this episode, we are going to set up our desktop launcher. Remember, this class is found in your desktop project here, and basically it starts by creating this config object. This config object describes how we want our game to start up, basically the window size that we want and all the different window properties and rendering properties. And then eventually, it creates this new application with our main game to actually start up running our game. So before this happens, we can actually change some values in this config object. For example, we can set the window title by doing config.title and setting the title to anything we want, such as the name of our application, Zentaris. So if you run your game now, you'll notice that the top title bar here has Zentaris as the title. Easy as that. We can also change the starting width and height that we want our game to be. For example, I can set the width of my window to start at 800 pixels wide, and the height of my window to start at 600 pixels tall, and I can run the game, and the window size will start at 800 pixels wide by 600 pixels tall. There you go. I actually kind of like that size, so I'm going to leave it at 800 by 600. Of course, our game is going to be resizable, so we can also set config.resizable equal to true, and that's basically going to allow people to expand the window down here by dragging it to a different size or maximizing it to fill the screen and whatnot. Now those are the main settings that I'm going to be using, but there are loads of settings within this config object. There's a few settings regarding rendering and how to use OpenGL, such as some OpenGL 3 settings, which we're not going to get into, certain things to do when your application is running in the background, the vsync option if you're familiar with that, and a few other things. And these can all be found on the LibGDX wiki to see what they do and why you might want to change them. But I'm going to stick with these 4 simple changes currently for our game. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next episode.